Welcome back, everybody. We got a new automotive tooling that we wanted to show you. This is the ANDEMAN smoke leak detector model JS108B. Now, we have used their products once before with a jump starter / air inflator box. Click the link above to see that video. It's still working today, so we have faith in this product as well. This is basically a smoke machine that produces smoke and a slight PSI so that you can introduce smoke into a system to find leaks, whether it be in an engine, an air conditioning system, pipes, wherever you got to find a leak, this thing should do it. So we're going to get it out the box, lay everything out, and show you how it looks. Alright, there's the unit itself. It comes with a nice hanger up top. It's all metal. Has an on-off switch for the smoke and the air compressor. Got your DC power supply in, your outlet flue, and your oil drain. And that's really about all it is. So it's just like a little heating element with a pot in there that heats up mineral oil or baby oil. We'll get the book out and we'll see how it looks. Alright, this is the book. We'll flip through it real quick and just look at some of the stuff that's included there. You got your different pieces that come with it, all your working theory, your product information, all that stuff. How to do your smoke test. Now, you're going to need a 12-volt battery, or you can hook it right up to the car. Basically just 12 volts. Leak test requires the engine to be off. So it just shows you how to do everything, kind of how to set things up. And you should really be using some type of smoke oil, or you can use mineral oil or baby oil. Just make sure it's pure. Now, this is all the accessories that it comes with. As you can see there, you got like a tailpipe adapter or intake adapter, several block-off plugs, and then a universal tip adapter there. The outlet hose, again, with a tapered tip for different hose fittings. It's pretty cool that it comes with a valve core remover. And then you have just your standard alligator clips, which they are heavy duty. They feel good. And your plug. It also comes with an oil filling bottle. Now, it does not come with oil in it. We put our mineral oil in here, or in this case, dollar store baby oil. And it has 100 milliliter fill up there and 10 milliliter increments with 5 in between for the little ones. It says to put about 20 milliliters in the smoke machine to get it started and fired up, so that's what we'll do. Alright, first thing, you want to make sure that this oil drain is nice and tight, and then we're going to come over here to the fill port and we're going to open it up. And right into there, we want to put our 20 milliliters or so. So we'll see. Alright, we're down to about 80 there. So we got our 20 milliliters in. We're going to cap everything up and hook it up. Now that the oil is filled up, we're going to go ahead and just take this one fitting off here. And we'll take this hose with the silver end and go to the opposite side where rubber hose is here. And take that fitting, just slide it over. Now this should just pop right on there, like that. And then you're going to just take this and screw it back on. And it doesn't have to be super tight, just finger tight is fine for that. Alright, we have the outlet flue hooked up to the rubber hose. We'll come around here. We have it hooked up to our battery. And the first thing we'll do is we'll turn on the air pressure and show you how this gauge actually works. So when we turn the air switch on, there's going to be air coming out of the tip of this. And then as you're building pressure in whatever system, it's going to build up air. And it's going to stop at a point when the whole system's charged. But if you have something that low, you have a massive leak. You see, if you had a leak, that's how it would work. If you have a leak, you would see it fluttering. But any solid push-up like that, and where it stabilizes, then you don't have a leak. We are going to turn on the... Actually, we'll turn this power switch off first. I'm going to back up here. And first thing we're going to do is turn on the power switch. And then the very second thing, we're going to turn on the smoke. I don't know how quick it comes out, but we'll see. So the smoke is on. And the air switch is on. Oh, it's already coming out. Look at that. Wow. That is shooting a lot of smoke out. Wow. Alright, we're going to shut it down. We don't want that much smoke getting inside here. But that is a ton of smoke that this thing produces. And it just smells like baby oil in here now. So we'll just let it cool off. But wow, this thing really produces a lot of smoke. Alright, so we're going to get it down to the shop and hook it up to an engine and show you how it works. Okay, we have the smoke detector machine set up here on our mock engine. We have the throttle body off. We're going to just stick it in here. Now, this intake is not sealed up very well, so we're going to see smoke come out immediately, but this is just to show you how it operates. So we have it on. We're going to be producing smoke now. And we'll probably see smoke coming out of various different holes here very shortly. As you can see, we already have smoke pouring out of the different intake holes here. And we'll just let it keep flooding the chamber. And, oh, we're now coming out of the fuel injector holes there. Coming out of the PVC port there. And as you see, this tool will be excellent in finding leaks all over an automotive manifold. You see there it's coming out of the valve, or out of the spark plug hole, because we don't have spark plugs in it. But as you see, this thing produces a lot of smoke. So it should have no issues finding any type of leaks that you have. See how it's flowing out of there? And again down here, with all the smoke coming out. So that'll tell us where our leak's coming from. We'll shut down the smoke machine and just let everything kind of off gas here. And as you can see, even after turning off the machine, you still have plenty of smoke coming out of here. Plenty of smoke. After you're done running your smoke machine, you're going to want to come down here and drain out any oil left. You don't want to leave oil in the machine when you're not using it. Alright, after draining, we only got a couple drops of the baby oil or mineral oil out of there. Make sure you're constantly checking and keeping your machine topped off. This is an excellent machine. It works very well. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.